Welcome back to Quiz Hair. We will be testing your general knowledge with this word quiz. Think fast. Most people fail by round 10. If you can get at least 20 of these right, you are a genius, and you probably didn't know it. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Hair channel for more exciting quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Round 1. Name a planet in our solar system that starts with the letter M. Mars, Mercury. You thought of something else? Drop it in the comments. Round 2. Name an ocean that starts with the letter A. Atlantic, Arctic, and Antarctic. Round 3. Name a fruit that starts with the letter P. Papaya, pineapple, and peach. Round 4. Name a chemical element that starts with the letter H. Hydrogen, helium, and holmium. Round 5. Name a musical instrument that starts with the letter G. Guitar, glockenspiel, and gong. Smash the like and subscribe button if you are kicking it. Round 6. Name a mammal that starts with the letter E. Elephant, elk, and echidna. Round 7. Name a language that starts with the letter S. Spanish, Swahili, and Swedish. Round 8. Name a capital city that starts with the letter O. Oslo, Ottawa, and Ouagadougou. Round 9. Name a board game that starts with the letter C. Chess, Clue, and Catan. Round 10. Name a flower that starts with the letter D. Daisy, daffodil, and dahlia. Round 11. Name a reptile that starts with the letter I. Iguana, inland taipan, and inchworm. Round 12. Name a gemstone that starts with the letter R. Ruby, rose quartz, and rhodolite. Round 13. Name a sport that starts with the letter F. Football, fencing, and frisbee. Round 14. Name a kitchen appliance that starts with the letter T. Toaster, Thermomix, and tea kettle. Round 15. Name a Greek god that starts with the letter A. Apollo, Artemis, and Aphrodite. Round 16. Name a superhero that starts with the letter B. Batman, Black Widow, and Beast. Round 17. Name a currency that starts with the letter D. Dollar, dinar, and dirham. Round 18. Name a tree that starts with the letter O. Oak, olive, and orange. Round 19. Name a pizza topping that starts with the letter E. Mushrooms, mozzarella, and meatballs. Round 20. Name a clothing item that starts with the letter S. Sweaters, sandals, and socks. Round 21. Name an African country that starts with the letter K. Kenya, Kingdom of Eswatini, and Rwanda. Round 22. Name a body part that starts with the letter K. Knee, kidney, and knuckle. Round 23. Name a European country that starts with the letter N. Norway, Netherlands, and North Macedonia. Round 24. Name a car brand that starts with the letter V. Volvo, Volkswagen, and Vauxhall. Round 25. Name a shape that starts with the letter H. Hexagon, heptagon, and heart. Round 26. Name a beverage that starts with the letter C. Coffee, cider, and champagne. Round 27. Name a dessert that starts with the letter B. Baklava, brownies, and banoffee pie. Round 28. Name a bird that starts with the letter F. Flamingo, falcon, and finch. Round 29. Name a weather condition that starts with the letter T. Thunder, tornado, and typhoon. Round 30. Name a famous scientist that starts with the letter E. Einstein, Edison, and Euclid. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and comment on how many points you got right. Check out one of these videos.